The new Bite Harder and the free My Crush plugins by Denise Audio are two plugins who take bit crushing to the next level and are way more versatile than just bit crushing. Keep watching until the end to learn how they sound and work. Hi, I'm Marlon. So the plugins are in their core bit crushers and sample dividers. But thanks to all added functionality, they are way more flexible and versatile. The free My Crush plugin is a scaled down version of Bite Harder, which has many tweakable options. So let's start with Bite Harder. The standard bit crush settings can be found here with Resample and Reduce. Resample will lower the sample rate, and this is where you get that old-fashioned low sample rate sound. Reduce is for the bitrate settings. Lower bit rates will give a more coarse sound, and due to reduced dynamic range it will get louder and more distorted. Now to shape the bit crusher and sample rate reduction, you'll use the Denise Audio push-pull functionality, which allows you to pinpoint exactly which frequency areas will be bit crushed and how it will blend in the overall audio. The 5 frequency bands can have 3 different frequency band shapes, and the bandwidth or Q can be set as well. So you use the graph to set which frequencies are more or less present in the audio. Now by using the pull dial, you can set how much the processing happens with the bit crush and sample rate divider. This is different than the mix dial, this one affects everything in the plugin. You can shape the sound more with the pre-effect filters, so this will affect the sound going in. And you have filters after the effect, which are the post filters, to shape the effect after the processing. This is useful in combination with the mix dial if you want to use the effect in parallel for more flexibility. Also, to have more blend, you can use the silky dial, which will soften the effect. You can shape the sound in more ways. For instance, you have the clip function, which lets you clip the audio for extra dirt and distortion. And of course, there are input and output volume controls. So all of these functions will help you to shape your bit crush and sample divide sound. But there is more. First, there's a stutter and a repeat function. The difference between the two is that repeat will repeat the audio from the moment the effect is enabled, like this. And the stutter will chop out pieces of audio like this. The length for both is dependent on what you have set in milliseconds or note value. Both are syncable to the tempo of the project or can be used in milliseconds independent of each other. The drive in Bite Harder will sound like a broken oversaturated tube and will work as sort of a gate. This opens up the ability to use it on, for instance, drums. With the drive on 0, I have this sound right now. And let me turn up the drive. You hear the gate-like effect happening. Now with the mix dial I will blend this sound with the original sound and I'll start from 0 and turn it up. I leave it like this and you can hear it really adds beef and body to the snare and kick. The Bite Harder plugin can also do a very cool formant filter effect, which can sound like a speak and spell type of voice thanks to the ring modulator sound of the glitch effect. I stumbled on this while using the randomize button. This is the setting I use for that, and you need to play with the glitch dial. Now if you automate this dial you can get real fun results. And on this synth, this setting will bring life to the audio. I mixed the effect in with a blend of 21% to really add a layer of the speak and spell sound. Okay, now let's talk about the free My Crush plugin. If you have skipped from the beginning to here, I really suggest you watch the Bite Harder part first. And also make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date about new and cool plugins which will help you in your workflow. The My Crush plugin is the free version of Bite Harder. It basically has less functions as you can see in this side-by-side view. My Crush has the filters, the mix dial, the resample and the reduce dial, the input and output gains, the stutter dial, and the EQ section is replaced by fixed EQ curves presets which you can select here. By default the plugin works more mono. And by pressing split it will work in stereo. Let's go through the presets to show how it can sound. I did have a graphical issue on PC with both plugins in Cubase. The resizing doesn't work well and it also makes all meters in Cubase stop working when I enlarge. Opening both plugins also gives the same issue. I notified Denise Audio and they will look into it, so I guess this will be resolved quickly. That said, I have no issues on Mac. The free My Crush will absolutely give you some nice presets to work with. But if you want more flexibility, you most likely want the full version, so the Bite Harder plugin. Grab the plugin by using the link in the description below. Denise Audio has a knack for really cool overdrive and saturation plugins. Watch the video which is displayed on the screen and linked in the pinned comment and description for more overdrive sweetness. I'll see you in that video.